Main Library，那他是要提到住家居屋。那我们知道说在这样子的经济状况之下，很多人很希望能够找到说他们有什么样的方法可以让他们找到合适居住的地方。那这就是今天Main Library要来谈的。
And that's it. That's all of our vendors today. So we're gonna have John come up here and say a couple of words, and then we'll get ready to get started.
那这就是今天介绍，就是我们所有的资源活动。那我们现在要请我们的台湾社区关怀协会的会长谢仁宽谢先生来跟我们讲几句话。
Well, I just would like to welcome all of you for this event, and we have this for 3 years already, and this is our 4th presentation, and we really appreciate and thanks for your coming, and also we would like to thank the Fremont Main Library. They provide this facility for us. And this time I would like to bring Nancy and then to cover a few words for us. Nancy.
John, thank you so much, and welcome everyone. So glad to see you here. We are going to want to get started, but before we do, we have a little table over there in the library. We have a couple of flyers out. We have Richard Gray, who is our coordinator for adult services for all of Alameda County. So if you have ideas, comments, questions, please come and see us. We need information. We're here to answer your questions.
Okay, now we start our program. We are a little bit behind, about 10 minutes, but we catch up, okay? Now let's have the presenter name.
Okay, this is sort of tough as John has me being the first speaker. So I need to get you guys all riled up and make sure that you stay awake, especially because you just had lunch, right? Right? Yes, I thought so. And I know it's a little bit more difficult to stay awake, but I also know that there's going to be a lot of information for you to absorb today. So what I want to talk with you about is about the city's housing program. Again, my name is May Lee, and I'm with the City of Fremont Housing Department. The City of Fremont has a number of programs. It includes affordable housing for very low income families and seniors. The city also has a first-time home buyer program, so we help homeowners as well also. Do you want to translate? Yes. Yeah, okay. I'm so sorry. You're going to be so exhausted by the end of the day. Okay.
May 说他知道大家因为刚吃完午饭，然后呢可能会有点想打盹儿，可是呢希望大家能够提起精神，因为今天的这个资源会是很有帮助的。那他是在 Fremont 市政府工作，那他的部门就是在居家这方面。那 Fremont 市政府有很多的不同的 program， 包括给老人的，那也有包括是给整个 family 的。那整个 family 有所谓的可负担房屋，那就是说比较便宜的低于市价，还有所谓的第一次购屋者的优惠待遇，所以呢非常非常好。我们教会有很多的会友透过这样子得到帮助，所以如果你知道说你的亲戚朋友或者是你自己本身可以受惠的话，欢迎跟美丽联络。
Thank you. I don't know what you said, but thank you. Okay. You know, we can do this many ways, okay? But I want to make sure this workshop, or at least, you know, the information you walk away with today is the most helpful for you. I have a number of brochures over there that will provide you with some information about affordable housing. So this is a directory, so I'm going to begin with this first. This is the city's assisted housing directory. I don't want you to misunderstand. This particular directory is not a listing of vacant units. This is a directory of where the affordable units are.
他的 他的桌子那里有很多的单张，或者是很多的 program， 等一下你们大家都可以去拿。那因为有太多的 program， 所以他今天开始的呢，就是从这一本黄色的册子里面。那这个黄色的册子讲到的就是说 affordable assisted housing， 那就是说可负担的住家。那它不代表在这个 directory 上面是list 在这周围你可负担的房屋，但是不代表说你就有空屋可以搬进去，但是至少让你知道说这附近有什么样的可以选择。那等到你要申请的时候呢，市政府就会告诉你说哪一些是目前你有空的位置，那哪一些目前是不 available。所以呢，这一本很重要。很多的老人打电话进来说，林小姐，请你帮我看看我哪里可以找到老人公寓或怎么样。那你必须要知道说哪一个范围是你想居住的，所以这一本你带回家非常的有用。
Okay, so if you want to, you're very fortunate in that the city is currently in the process of building a affordable senior development. You're very, very lucky to at least learn about it today. It is on page 14. It's called the Peralta Senior Apartments. It has information for you to let you know that if you are interested, it gives you instructions on how to sign up. And you sign up to get on the interest list. What you want to be able to do is to be able to at least get an application, and that's usually step one.
那我们知道说，在过去一讲到说老人公寓特别是就是低价老人公寓，我们每次都告诉大家说，那简直是比买乐透更难啊！但是你今天选择来这里，你就来对了，因为在这本黄色的册子第14页的地方，带给你们一个好消息，就是说 Fremont 在 Peralta 上面要盖新的老人可负担的公寓。那所以呢，在第14页你们可以看到 Peralta 的这个新的 development。然后还有一个 form， 就是说至少告诉你说你可以怎么样去申请，所以很重要。第14页，您不妨现在就给它折一个角，所以您可以回去慢慢的看14页的地方。